Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 has arrived, and if it is half as popular as its previous model, it could be the most popular foldable phone of the next year. This is the successor to the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which was a huge success, outselling the Z Fold 3 by a wide margin. You can learn everything you need to know about the new device from this video. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 price starts at $999 which is exactly how much the Z Flip 3 cost. Pre-orders opened on August 10 and the phone goes on sale on the August 26. If you order from Samsung.com, you can double your storage capacity for free and also get a free case. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a clamshell foldable phone. So it has the form factor of a regular handset until you fold it in half to become an easily pocketable block. Samsung says the phone can withstand more than 200,000 folds. When the phone is opened, it has a 6.7-inch display with a punch hole cutout for the front camera. The refresh rate of the display can be adjusted up to 120 Hz. The frame is made of aluminum. It's also called armor aluminum according to Samsung. On the outside is the 1.9-inch cover screen, and it performs some minimal tasks. You can control a smart home with SmartThings using just the cover screen. You can also pay using Samsung Wallet and adjust some quick settings on the phone. Otherwise, you can see incoming notifications and even respond to a text message using the cover screen and text-to-speech. There are two rear cameras, a 12MP main and a 12MP ultra-wide. You can take selfies with the 10MP snapper. For selfies, there are two options to see yourself in a different aspect ratio on the cover screen. When you are recording video, you can record with the screen open and then close the display for a more compact grip without stopping your recording. The battery is a better story than before. It has 3700 mAh power inside. That's a sizable upgrade from the previous model. It has the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. The phone is running Android 12 at launch with Samsung's One UI 4.1. Samsung is already testing Android 13 with its new One UI beta group on the Galaxy S22, but for now Android 12 is all you will find on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.